So I have a little piece of Yupo here. This is just kind of a demonstration piece, and this is India ink. And this is on, as you can see, a table surface rather than the wall, which works a little differently because you get to work with the drips. But I'm just going to demonstrate using a few different materials with this ink. Okay, the first thing is this is ammonia diluted about half and half with water. I'm applying it with a brush. And then a household squeegee. So this spray bottle has diluted ammonia in it. Now if I take a little diluted ammonia on my paper towel, I can just remove the ink altogether. So what happens if I just use plain water? Try that squeegee. Okay, remove some of it. Now the ink sort of cures after it sits for a few days. So after a few days, it wouldn't be as easy to remove it with water, but the ammonia will still remove it. Let's try water applied with a brush. And then let's try a little ink application. And while it's still wet, we'll just see if we can use some of that drip action. I'll use a Q-tip, dipping it in the ammonia solution. And I'll try a couple things here. Let's see. Take a clean paper towel. And lift that. I'll try it again. Using the squeegee, a different sort of mark. And another thing I tried last week, kind of cool, is using this scouring pad. And so that got some interesting marks. Another application tool for the, let's see, for the ammonia is a tampon. Good to have some kind of use for these things. Of course, different brands probably make different marks, so you can try that out. And you could just leave that. Maybe I'll leave this mark down here and squeegee this top one. And another thing I just discovered was applying the ammonia, and when I say ammonia, I mean the ammonia solution, with a stamp. So this is just a stamp I made from craft foam. See if this works. It does. Another thing you can use on Yupo with this process is pit pens, because they are, after all, India ink. And they come in these great big fat ones, they come in little skinny ones, they come in this whole array of tips. Let's see what that does. Nothing much. I just smeared it. Let's try that again. See if we can get anything a little more interesting. It's a Q-tip with ammonia. Here I'm using the side of the roller. So just the squeegee to make lines. And also use a sort of gift card or credit card. Well, the ink is still wet, as it is over here, but it's dried right here. And it dries really quickly, you'll find. And that's probably enough things to play with for now.